Any mention?
No mention. Okay, we'll be back in 5 minutes.
Supplementary list. Item number 1, pronouncement of judgment.
On examination of the records and the orders passed therein, the same are replete with instances of errant conduct of the petitioner and entire proceedings which had commenced since 2010. No application setting aside ex parte viewing judgment order was ever filed. Even the proceedings with regard to substitution of original plaintiff, the petitioner, as part of receipt of notice, did not contest the same. On the question of abatement, the original plaintiff had expired when the matter had been reserved for judgment decree, and as such, by application of Order 22 Rule 6, there can be no abatement this ground. Substitution being effected thereafter, therefore, there is no illegality in the judgment decree as sought to be made up by the petitioner. The only recourse taken by the petitioner after passing the final judgment decree was to sum up for straight execution proceedings on the two grounds raised as aforementioned. That's abatement of the suit and question of substitution, which also the main ground raised in the incident-driven petition. In the concerned view of this court and the facts of this case, these grounds are set up are without any merit. The proceedings before the lower courts, though seeming superfluous, however, no illegality or irregularity is apparent in the face of the court of these two counts. As such, there be no materials or grounds present calling for interference in incident petition application, and 2 to 7's liability rejected. Accordingly, as observed, the incident is stands dismissed and disposed of. Sorry, Mr. Qureshi. What conduct your petitioner really? Anyway.
Well, counsel not represented her properly.
Yes.
Any mention?
Lordship, item number 9 to 14, Lordship. If it matter taken up with.
See this one, what to do?
Because last time.
Where's Mr. S.P. Mahanta?
He's on like in the.
I'll just take.
Why is avoiding my court? Just tell him. Say, please don't avoid my court. Please come to this court.
He's here. He was.
You know, I have not seen him in my court for many months.
I'll just take information from them what the process is going on, not going
Because
on.
your case has no merit, your second appeal.
Lordship, just because of this reason, the course is for this.
Because of the?
That it is going to be transferred to the Shillong municipal. Only 3 weeks time, I need, Lordship, just to get informations. If he's.
What instructions do you have?
No objection.
You just let Mr. Mahanta come. You kindly call him. We'll take up this matter. Yes. Yes.
I just make a prayer, my lord. This matter, my lord, this matter is otherwise, my lord. This is a writ petition, my lord, fixed on 12. 12, my lord, this court is not sitting. So there is a stay order till 12.
Which 12? Which matter is this?
My lord, this is connecting this Weybridge, your lordships. Weybridge matter.
Which Weybridge? What's the case?
So if it can be listed tomorrow, your lordships. Yes, the appointment. So this matter is fixed on 12.
For hearing?
Yes, my lord. Yes. And the stay order is still 12. So whatever it may be, your lordship, let it be listed tomorrow. Need to be listed.
Oh, let me sit tomorrow then. Yes.
Lord, I beg to mention for listing of matter tomorrow, my lord, motion, my lord. A slight urgency, my lord, a tender matter. My lord, if Lord, tomorrow, kindly, my lord.
What's the matter about? Which tender?
My lord, this is a tender matter, my lord. Our technical bid has been rejected on a ground which is not even a condition in the.
For what? What's the work about?
My lord, this is regarding meters, my lord.
MECL?
Yes, my lord. Lord, slight urgency, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, also, my lord, your lordship's indulgence. Item 18, my lord. This matter was heard last time. My lord, I crave for some time in this 1 month, 1 week, sorry, my lord. I've informed Mr. Manyan, he's here.
What's the matter about?
Lord, this is regarding pay scale, Muda matter. And 2006 he was regularized, but against a non-sanctioned
1 week,
post.
18, yes.
Deeply obliged.
21 and 22. I am for responding in both these matters.
20?
21.
What's the matter about?
This is Assam Rifles.
You're there?
Pens and
Well, no, who's mentioning? Where's the petitioner? You're for the respondent. You informed them?
I informed them.
Oh, 2 weeks, 21 to 22. Yes.
And I'm praying for 22 also, my lord.
Yeah, 21, 22 weeks. 22.
22. The other side?
Is here, Mr. Upadhyay?
I'm here. 1 week?
1 week or 10 days, my lord.
2 weeks, yes, 23 matter. So 20, 22 gone, yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. We had talked and informed the petitioner. My Lord, if the matter can come on the 2nd of November.
Objection, Your Lordship.
I won't give any date. This is the first week, November, yes.
It should be.
Your Lordship.
On the prayer of the parties. Prayer respondent, sorry.
Your Lordship, item number 15, Your Lordship. I beg to mention.
Yes?
1-5, Your Lordship.
15, second appeal.
Yes, yes.
My lord.
See, Mr. Maulong's made a rare appearance.
Sorry. My lord, in the meanwhile, they have not prepared the paper book.
Who has not prepared the
The
paperwork?
appellant.
You need to prepare the paperwork necessary.
No, Your Lordship.
Not necessary.
I have no idea, Your Lordship.
And I have also filed my list of books today, my lord.
List of?
List of books.
No, if the matter is not taken up, list of books will serve no purpose. When do you want it?
After 1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week, we have a 22 matter, 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
All right.
Yes, Mr. Manta, I said, why are you avoiding my court? Because I was worried about your health.
No, I'm much better recovering,
Yes.
Your Lordship. So, in fact,
I'm just asking.
So what has happened to these matters?
this matter, Your Lordship, there's a, in fact, concurrent finding of both the courts below.
No, regarding, because Mr. Qureshi says that since these civil areas only handed over, is civil, I mean,
Merger of the Shillong Municipal Board.
yes.
No, that was initially, it was there, but now it has been kept in like that.
Scrapped.
Not scrapped, but hopefully, I think, of course, unofficially, I came to know that Shillong will be excluded probably.
They won't hand over these areas.
Shillong, I don't think.
So, Mr. Qureshi,
I have no idea.
your last
Of course,
excuse
officially,
is
I didn't
gone.
receive communication.
Do it today.
No, not today. Just after 3 weeks. I'll just prepare my case then.
There are concurrent finding of both the courts.
Yes. 16 matter, no, I don't want to keep it pending.
Yes, this year only.
Above 5 years.
I think
We'll have it
whatever
after
the
2 weeks.
outcome over there, that will optimally it will go, but
2 weeks, yes. Mr. S.P. Manthan, Senior Counsel, for response submits that
After
the-
vacation? Puja vacation?
Yes, after Puja application, submits that the proposal for handing over the areas concerned to, no, for accession of the civil areas from cantonments is still under consideration, and for a time being, no orders have been forthcoming.
not.
So, Mr. Qureshi pays that these matters be taken up after 2 weeks. Yes. Just accordingly. This next we won't adjourn anymore.
I'll be ready. Deeply obvious.
Yes.
Item number 19, Your Lordship. Pray for the petitioner, Your Lordship. Lordship, the Contempt Council is Mr. L. Shongwan is on sanction.
Mr.?
L. Shongwan is on sanction leave. Let the matter come after
Yes. After on council sanction leave. When? After 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. Your Lordship, here we pray for... No objection, Your Lordship. We pray for time, Your Lordship, because the respondent is out of station.
Who's the respondent?
Respondent number 4.
Who's respondent number 4?
She's a daughter of the deceased.
Because she's out of station, you can't do the case.
No, last time there was a talk of settlement, Your Lordship, but
Okay, yes. Just after 2 weeks on the prayer, the council with the respondent, right? The hearing list is gone. Yes.
obliged.
Supplementary list item number 2.
May it be pleased, Your Lordship. Where in this case, my lord, the petitioners are the senior science teacher, my lord.
Yes.
Of the ad hoc schools, my lord. And what had happened in this case, my lord, some similarly situated person earlier filed a writ petition before this honorable court for seeking the at least basic pay at par with the government science teacher, my lord. And this honorable court has passed an order and direction was given to the government to consider the case of the petitioners, my lord. Agreed by that, my lord, the state has preferred an writ appeal before this honorable court, and this honorable court division bench has said rejected the appeal, but the direction, some slight modification has been given that the for payment the basic pay to the ad hoc granted schools science teachers, my lord, that additional amount can be recovered from the resources of the managing
now
committee.
you mean the additional pay, the arrear pays?
Yes.
It can be recovered from the managing committee.
Managing committee, my lord. And subsequently, after the several litigations, my lord, the petitioners have released, the government has released the additional amount with effect from the 1/1/2007 to 31/8/2016, my lord. There is an amount of 359,600 has been released to them
Per person.
per person. But subsequently, when the salary was released to them, the additional amount which has been paid to the petitioner, my lord, that has been deducted from the salary itself.
Monthly.
Monthly.
How much?
My lord, 10,300 per month. And subsequently, the petitioner.
Now is the pay paid to your account or goes to the managing committee lump sum?
No, my lord, account. Directly deducted.
Okay.
The statement is, I have already annexed. Kindly see the page 71. This is the 2-month salary released. This is one of the petitioner, petition number 1. The total amount he got 62,000. An amount deducted, less amount to be paid by the MC, 20,600. And till date that has been continued to deducted. And
how many times has been deducted?
Deducted up to May 2023.
It started from?
It started from the 1/1/2022. 1/7/2022. And already 1,13,300 deducted. So now my prayer is that, my lord, if the direction as of this honorable,
where is the direction?
My lord,
let us see
this
that.
page 45 and relevant, my lord, is at page 55, my lord. Relevant portion is at page 55.
Yes. Where?
My lord, 55 in the middle portion, my lord.
Yes.
It can deduct from the amount of grant in aid paid to the institution, or alternatively can realize the amount from the other sources of the managing committees and or of such institution. And finally, my lord, here in the last portion, as such, this writ appeal is dismissed with modification of the impugned order to the effect that the state government can recover the amount if spent in paying the minimum of basic salary to science teacher over and above the grant and aid being paid to such institution from the resources of the managing committee and or of the institution in question. The time frame provided by the learned single judge, namely 6 months, is paid to already has been expressed, that is extended to 7.
Yes, Mr. Shulai.
This is your lordship. Lordship,
and if from the resources managing committee, then why deducting from the teacher?
Lordship, kindly see, your lordship, my humble and respectful submission, lordship, is that this writ petition is not maintainable in view of the fact that the managing committee have not been arrayed as private
party.
No, my lord, because
why?
Because
in fact, your lordship,
in this case, my lord, we have no grievance against the managing committee.
Why? Directions of managing committee, you are serving under them. You are appointed by the managing committee. Who appointed you?
This direction was given the respondent authority.
Who's appointed you?
They can be.
No, who's the appointing authority?
Appointing authority is the DEO.
No. Is the approving authority. Who's the appointing authority?
Appointing authority is managing committee.
Then, lordship, the prayer number 2, your lordship, this is a proxy relief for the managing committee. Lordship, kindly have a look at page 24.
We don't have, yeah, Mr. Your name?
R. Islam, my lord.
RS?
R. Islam.
Mr. Islam, we can't have surrogate litigation. Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to page 24. Lordship, kindly see the relief number 2. The rate in the nature of mandamus or any
Make them
other
party.
shall be issued by directing the respondent or the state government to grant to the Lordship, the managing committee, they are not aggrieved.
There's a clear case of misjoinder. Non-joinder, sorry.
Non-joinder of necessary parties.
You take your call. We're not entertaining it.
But the last communication.
That was Arsalam, learned counsel with the petitioner. The grievance set out under the petition is against the recovery by the respondent authorities of a certain amount from the monthly salary of the petitioners, which has been effected from 1/7/2022 till date. Stop. It has been submitted that the said amount said to be deducted is the arrear pay which has been allowed to the teachers, which has been allowed to teachers by virtue of which has been paid to teachers, which has been allowed by the judgment of this court in
Rate appeal now.
In WA number.
In WA number
37 of
37 of
in WA number 37
of 2014,
whereby this court in the division bench had directed as follows. Would this be para 55 from as such? A perusal of the writ petition reflects that the managing committee, which is an absolutely necessary party, was arrayed as a party respondent, and no prayer also made against it. From this view of the matter, at this stage, this court was not entertaining the petition, and the same is dismissed. Petitioner, however, is given liberty to
file fresh, my lord.
To file afresh, if so advised.
Apply, Lord.
Much obliged.
Matter stands closed and disposed of.
Means
Better you just withdraw it and file afresh. This will go against you.
Yes.
Yes. Mr. Sheikh for giving you good advice. After hearing at some length, Mr. Islam, the Constitution places that allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file afresh. So advice. According matter stands to will liberty praises. Makes it easier for you, yes.
main list item number 1.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg for this matter to come after 1 week, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, actually my senior had urgent matter today, Your Lordship, we had to leave.
You're here. Yes. Start.
I'm ready, but they raised the question of maintainability. So they want to
now
start.
we consider maintainable since
Lordship, if
she
you
has
can
no objection.
come tomorrow also, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if, because he really had to go for an urgent matter today, Your Lordship, that's why.
See, we accommodate Mr. Kinta abundantly because he has health issues, but then we can't just make the entire proceedings, this evaluation hearing how many times?
Number of times are listed.
How many times?
Quite a number of times, Your Lordship.
Has your question maintainability been put on affidavit? No.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, this matter has been listed as in hearing repeatedly, but the matter cannot be taken up for one reason or the other. Stop. As the question of maintainability has been raised by the district council respondents as submitted by MSC Nongklau, the said respondent directed to put the same by affidavit before the next date. Yes.
Right, Your Lordship.
This is matter and so and so for further consideration after you file affidavit. So even if he is not there, then we can take it up.
Yes.
Okay, Your Lordship. Right, Your Lordship.
Second was a similar item. Another customer.
Item number 3.
May it please your lordship, we were supposed to file our affidavit, your lordship. Our affidavit is ready, but some minor changes to be made, your lordship.
Have you filed application for adjournment?
No, your lordship.
Then you file an application for adjournment. And we'll consider it, yes. We'll pass orders on adjournment petition after 2 weeks, yes. You file application for adjournment.
Yes, your
That's
lordship.
on record, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mrs. N.G. Schiller, Your Lordship. We're praying for some time, Your Lordship, to file an affidavit.
How many times? When is it filed?
This is fourth time.
Second time? Yes, as prayed, MSZE, now can be 1 to 3 and E for 4 granted for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Let's list that after.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
5.
Your Lordship, I pray for time, Lordship, in this matter to file the affidavit.
On behalf of President and Mr. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some more time to file the affidavit.
You're not filing it. Yes, Mr. H. Karmi for 1 to 2, CAGA for 1 to 2, and MS Ladu for 3. Pray for and allowed for the 2 weeks time to file affidavits. List that after.
6.
This is relating to caste certificate below.
Yes, where is the rejoinder?
What we are filing the cause of body, Lordship. We have already solved the copies with us, and we have already solved the copies, but we are filing something.
It's submitted by the Council Petitioner that the short rejoinder will be filed in the course of the day. This is matter after 2 weeks.
4, 5, and 6 in this matter. Madam, by one of the orders, your lordships were directed us to process the pension papers without waiting for the original certificate, madam. Madam, on the last date, we made a submission that if we process the pension papers at this stage, madam, when the matter is still pending, lordships was given us liberty to file an application or affidavit for modification of the date. We filed that, madam.
Is it on board today? Are you ready? You got the application? Where's the miscase? Here you go. On affidavit, or you file the application for modification?
For that also we have we'll be filing rejoinder, my lord. As of now, we have not received anything.
Lordships are directed to process the pension papers, my lord. We'll process the papers, my lord, but we'll withhold the payment.
Yes.
Only that much observation is given by lordship.
Where's your affidavit?
And this is filed on 20th of September.
Pursuant to order dated 29/8/2023, stop. The respondent's number, your 4, 5, and 6, have since processed the papers of the petitioner, the pension papers of the petitioner. Stop. Today, Mr. Dr. M. Mozika, Leonard, DHSG, for the said respondents, has referred to the affidavit filed on behalf of the said respondents and prayed that as the main relief claims against the respondents 1 and 2, as a question of grant of Schedule type certificate is still not resolved. So he prays that that though the papers have been processed, the release of pension be subject to the result of the writ application. Correct?
Withhold it.
Yes, the release of the pension be subject to the you have any submissions to make?
Filing, we are filing rejoinder. Let it come
You
for hearing.
file rejoinder, Mr. So-and-so, however, please have to file rejoinder to this affidavit also. Accordingly, this put the matter for 2 weeks. This is a matter of 2 weeks for filing of both the rejoinders. Yes. We pass also 2 weeks. Yes. No one's asking to release the pension now. So to process the papers.
7.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondents 2, 7, 9 and 10. Your Lordship,
2, 7, 9, 10, okay?
Your Lordship, we pray for time to file an affidavit.
Yes?
We pray for time to file an affidavit.
Who's
Your
appearing
Lordship,
for
in this
6? 6 is state, I think. 6 is? What's her name?
matter. Your Lordship, state is MECL.
6 is MECL. 11 and 12 is the council. 13? 4, which is one? 13 is whom?
It's the former admin of the former official.
Private person.
Private.
Yes, aim?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondents 3, 4 and 5.
Who are they?
Power Grid, Your Lordship.
Number 1, union. Where's union? You appear for union?
Yes,
have you filed affidavit?
It take time.
So that means who has filed affidavit? Only you have filed. Only number 3. Only 3, 4 and 5. Yes. Miss, you are Mrs. Sinong Said. What's your name? Sinong Said, yes. Vice Mr. Abdevnath for R1. MSZ Inam Country for 2, 7, 9 and 10. Who's appearing on behalf of MECL? No one.
Yes, she's
Sinong Clark for 11 and 12. And Khanong Bak for 13. Pray for one allowed further 2 weeks time for affidavit stop. None appears on behalf of respondent number 6. The affidavit on behalf of 4 and 5 is already on board. Yes, list accordingly also.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 8.
The last date for filing of bid is over, my lord, on 25th. We require some instructions.
My lord, we did not submit the technical bids, my lord.
Why?
Because we will be disqualified, my lord.
So
as the terms, because they are counting only till March 23, my lord. So we had no choice, because rather than getting it rejected.
March 23 meaning?
Financial year ended as on March, my lord, March 23. But they are counting only till March 22, my lord.
Oh, yeah, that matter, yes.
Yes.
Because it was very obvious that we will be rejected technically, so we did not submit our bid, my lord.
So we withdraw?
Matter may be closed.
Yes, Mr. Dr. M. Bozikan, counsel, the senior counsel of petition law also submits that due to certain circumstances, the petition did not submit a technical bid, so he prays the matter to be closed and disposed of. Yes. You will record Mr. A. Kumar and Mr. Sinkai on the submissions of the senior counsel. Other stands closed and disposed of.
Obliged.
What is this? No, hearings all exhausted. This is a criminal waste of judicial time.
One matter, item 20.
Mentioned by your senior, standing behind you.
No, 20 are mentioned.
No, Lordship.
20 was mentioned?
21 and 22.
21, 22, Lordship. 20 is not mentioned.
You are there 20.
Lordship. Mr. Dipanath, for the other side, he has to come with instructions as regard to the declaration of results.
Mr. Dipanath is there. Yes, Mr. Dipanath. Have you declared the results or not? 20.
The result was not declared.
Declared?
No.
Why?
This instruction is received. Yes.
What are you saying?
It's just I got.
What have you got?
This instruction one I got, I just told them for instruction.
Have you given a copy to?
Yes.
What does it say? You didn't succeed in the written test, you failed.
No, this is the subsequent advertisement, Lordship. This is a subsequent advertisement.
This early advertisement results not declared.
No, Lordship. They're taking a ground that that advertisement, the early advertisement, has died its natural course because of the subsequent advertisement.
Yes.
But there's nothing on record to that effect, Your Lordship. No notification has been issued.
You received this just when I.
Now the thing is that just one thing, Mr. Nopier. You appeared for the first selection in?
First selection in, that will be in 2014, Lordship.
Now 2014.
Lordship.
Then you didn't, you just slept over here. You didn't do anything. You waited for how many years?
No, we
till the next
applied for
advertisement came out?
We applied for RTIs.
No, when did the new advertisement come out for the same post?
The second advertisement was advertised in the 21-22, Lordship.
So after 14 to 2022, the results were never declared.
Never declared.
And so they issued fresh advertisement. That time you came to court after you failed the written test.
No, Lordship, we are not claiming any right from the second advertisement.
No, you're not deriving any right. But the question that for you the cause of action arose because you didn't qualify. Suppose you qualified second time.
Lordship, that is not my case, Lordship. My case is very simple. We just want declaration result. I'm not claiming any right from the first advertisement. Whether I fail or succeed, whether I succeed or I don't succeed, that is a different. Lordship, that is not my prayer. My prayer is only for declaration of result. That is my limit.
What purpose will it serve?
Lordship may come to the RTI that has been issued. The RTI replied by them.
See, the thing is that you came to court when, let's see, RTI application, when do you make it?
Lordship, 21, Lordship.
21. So between 14 and 21, what do you do?
Was
sleeping.
Waiting.
Dreaming of being a mess helper.
Patiently waiting for a result.
You withdraw it if you dismiss it. You can't.
Lordship, there is no clarity from the respondent because we just want to know what happened to the result.
You've said.
You're losing in this case.
They said that. See, why they have declared in this context informed due to a ban imposed by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti in Noida, so and so second process here was not approved by the community authority. So it didn't attain a finality. So letters was in Annexure A. So the reasons for non-declaration is there.
In the RTI reply,
Your Lordship, this.
Because the reason is given is very, very reasonable also. It said that there should be no recruitment because the services of these posts are to be outsourced. And since they have the right to cancel if the reasons are justifiable.
Lordship, Annexure A will not pertain to the present because this pertains to the Lordship. May kindly come to Annexure
Lucknow
A,
region, okay, as regards the non-teaching staff with liars, the commissioners are sanctioned the same. Yes. See, in respect of other regional offices where creation of non-teaching posts already been communicated, these posts are to be kept in abeyance for recruitment posting. Services against these posts are to be availed through outsourcing in bold, as decided so and so.
No, they say that the posts have to be kept in abeyance.
No, I'll read after that. Services against these posts are due to outsourcing. Then you got opportunity, you appeared again.
But we were not aware that
you can't just, you can't take a dead horse and beat it and expect to it'll get up and you start riding and win the race.
Lordship, I understand my hands are tight, but
yes,
I'll withdraw, Lordship.
Yes, on the production of instructions by Learned CGC, Mr. R. Debnath, with regard to the non-declaration results, which was due to the fact that at the relevant point of time, that is 4/12/2015, the said posts advertised were kept in abeyance. On this instruction, Mr. M. Namkur, being satisfied, place it that he may be allowed to withdraw the applications. All this matter stands closed on withdrawal as prayed. Yes.
Because Lordship, I'm not claiming any.
No, you can't see. By now you're a seasoned lawyer.
Lordship.
Suppose put some other side. Person comes after 2014. You know that's 6-7 years. After 7 years, 7 years also is the outward limit for a person to be declared dead. You know that, no?
No, why we have come, because Lordship, as per the RTR reply, this says that the result has been sent to the department for declaration, but this.
So where are you working now?
Lordship, I'm not working. I think I'm still
still
on contract basis.
Contract basis.
That's what. Yes.
Obligation.